Hey, in this video, we are going to explain to you when it might be time to replace your down comforter. The reality is, irrespective of the quality of your down comforter, at some point in time, it's going to likely need to be replaced. Now, there's a couple of different factors that influence the life of your down comforter. One of them being the thread count that the shell or the ticking has. The lower thread counts, the 200 range thread counts, are not as tightly woven, and as a result, the down clusters can find their way out of the comforter itself. Another factor that adds to the wear of the down comforter is laying on top of it. So the down clusters, the delicate little fibers, and when you lay on top of it, what you're doing is crushing the down, and then if you move around, you're causing friction in those clusters, and what happens is those little fibers break off, they come out of the shell, and they end up being dust on your nightstands. Likely the biggest contributor to your down comforter's life is your sleeping habits. So those individuals that crawl underneath the down comforter and they sleep and they don't move at night, they're going to get a heck of a lot more life out of the comforter as opposed to those that are restless sleepers. And the restless sleepers are tossing and turning, and in the shoulder area of that down comforter, you are creating friction. Those areas will wear out first. So how can you tell if your comforter needs to be replaced? We're going to show you. Okay, so this is a sample and it's fairly full, but you can see in the lower compartment here that you can see where there is no down whatsoever. And again, this one is really not worn out, but there are many down comforters that have literally no down in those compartments. Those are the things you want to consider. And simply holding it up to a light, a room light, or a window will give you, the idea, or give you, a perspective of what is left in those compartments. Now, if your down comforter is showing some wear and you've decided you need to invest in another one, we encourage you to take a look at a video that we've produced that identifies the different construction styles that are available in the market and offer, some critique on the benefits or drawbacks associated with those, those styles of comforters. So we've provided, again, a link below here that you can review what we think is, some of the better construction styles. And as always, if you have any questions, bedding related, of course, give us a call, send us an email. We're happy to assist. Hey, thanks for taking a minute to watch this video. Thanks for your interest in Vero Linens.